ready to submit yourself to Mary Lois as her lawful husband, today and forever, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, only death and separates you? Mary Lois, wear this ring. Wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty, for better or for worse, for poorer or for richer, in sickness and in health. Wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty, for better or for worse, for poorer or for richer, in sickness and in health, till death do us part. Iyon! Parang yung pinapasko ko ba yun? Magkasaya rin. Magkasaya rin. Ngunit po yan, Mayor. Yung kalatunayan natin, no? But I'm sure some of your sponsors already told you when you ask their permission to take to have them as your Nino, or even your parents, no? Na I'm sure a lot of them already told you that in your marriage you should include God, no? You should include God in your relationship. Make God part of your marriage, no? You know why? Kasi I know you have parents and friends to rely to, but it is very important that you have God and you believe in God and you know that there is someone out there that will guide you take the right path. And it's really difficult for us, no? Especially for Karl and Joseph, Rose and Georgie. No, you married good-looking guys. No? What do you expect? Aray ng balat ko. So, when you married, I'm sure, it took you some time before you finally say yes, no? But along the way in your marriage, definitely you will pass, no? You will go through challenges and trials, no? And it's good and it's best, no? That except for your families and friends, you know that you have somebody reliable and have God, no? And have the faith God to guide you and show you the right way for you to achieve for heaven. When English, sabi mo, Bruce, this will be very expensive, Bruce. This will be double charge. Okay? So second, I'm just kidding. Make it simple. Second, aside from having God as part of your relationship, this is what I do in all the wedding that I officiate. I always ask the couple this question. This will be right minus wrong, and wrong spelling wrong. And wrong. I'll come to you later. Okay? So Karl Joseph, I always ask the couple, no?
Japanese po.
Karl Joseph, oh, are you Japanese? Ito na ba sinabi Japanese? Pasakitan nyo lang ako.
Naka-reside sa Japanese yan, Mayor. Sa Japan naka-reside.
Oh. Oh, hi, kasi naman. Saan ka natin na-sign? Karl Joseph. Iluin pa si Angel. Karl Joseph, anong naboryanan mo ng marriage? Babae? Pagmahal niyo ako. Ay, ito ako. Ahap na ako. pasensya at saka mapagmahal. Hardworking. Haba ng hair mo So, mahaba, pasensya, hardworking, at saka mapagmahal. Okay. Tandaan niyo din sa sagot yun yan, ha? Okay. As husband and wife in the eyes of men, be it remembered that you are no longer two but one in heart and soul, and further remember that what God has bound together, let no one put us under. Now, let us now call on Karl Joseph and Mary Lois for the first official and legal. Madalas kasi illegal yung tapat na. Hindi, you make it legal. For the first legal kiss.